If bots are reaching your WordPress login page, your site is already exposed. That's where CAPTCHA helps by blocking automated attempts and allowing only real users through. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up Google reCAPTCHA and Cloudflare Turnstile using Nextr extension. All right, let's dive in. Now we're inside the WordPress dashboard and we're installing the Nextr extension free plugin. So go to Plugins, add plugin, search Nextr extension, and activate it. Now moving ahead, open Nextr greater than extensions and go into security. From here, enable CAPTCHA and then click the gear icon to open the settings. Now as you can see, you get two options here to add CAPTCHA, Google reCAPTCHA and Cloudflare Turnstile. And just to quickly clarify, Google reCAPTCHA is used to protect your login and forms from bots and spam attempts. So the risk of fake signups and brute force attacks goes down. So first we're going with Google reCAPTCHA. Now for this to work, we need a site key and a secret key, so make sure you're logged into your Google account and then open this link. Once you land on this page, start by adding a label name. You can keep it simple, like demo. Now in the reCAPTCHA type, keep it on v3 only. After that, come to domains and add your domain name without HTTP or HTTPS. And if you're managing more than one site, you can add multiple domains here as well. Then click Submit. Now on the next screen, you're getting both your site key and your secret key. So from here, come back to your WordPress dashboard and paste the site key and secret key in their respective fields. All right, so after pasting both keys, now this is where you decide where you want to block bots. You've got the WordPress default forms like login and registration, and if you're using WooCommerce, you also get options like checkout. And on bottom of that, form plugin support is coming soon here as well. After that, down here you can choose where you want this CAPTCHA to be active. I'll keep it simple and select WordPress default, then enable it for the login form, and finally click Save. Just a quick note. This is reCAPTCHA v3, so you won't see any checkbox here. It's running silently in the background. Now that you've seen Google reCAPTCHA, I'm clearing these keys for a moment so we can switch to the second method. Now let's move to Cloudflare Turnstile. This one is great if you want a more privacy-friendly CAPTCHA that blocks bots without interrupting real users. All right, to set this up, you just need two keys from Cloudflare, the site key and the secret key. And if you want the written steps too, the doc link is right here. Now before you click the Turnstile link, just make sure you're already logged into your Cloudflare account, then click on Add Widget. Now give your widget a name. I'm keeping it simple and calling it Demo. Then click Add Host Names and add your domain without HTTP or HTTPS, and yes, you can add multiple domains here if you need. After that, choose your widget mode, keep pre-clearance set to No, and click Create. Perfect. Now you're getting your site key and secret key. Now come back to WordPress and paste both keys in the same two fields. After that, down here you can choose where you want this CAPTCHA to be active. I'll keep it simple and select WordPress default, then enable it for the login form, and finally click Save. Now just log out once, open the login page again, and you can see it working there. And the best part is, the same way, you can apply it on other forms too. WordPress default ones, WooCommerce pages, whatever you actually need. So now you've got both options, Google reCAPTCHA and Cloudflare Turnstile. Just use the one that fits your site best. And if you're liking these quick security tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.